Look at his teeth.
You wanna look at it? Before you go like that. Here we go.
Leave it now. Have a look at one of the pictures.